Hello everyone. We wanted to check in with some things that have been on our collective minds over the last several months and provide some updates and inspiration for you. All of us across the board at Riverboat Twilight recognize and value that wellness tourism is a large and growing sector based on what we've all been experiencing this year. We honestly believe that there is a definitive correlation between well-being and travel. Every Twilight River excursion is designed for relaxation, exploration, and celebration. And it is within that spirit that we will continue to provide all of our passengers with a travel experience that helps them balance their physical, emotional, mental, and overall well-being. Health and wellness can look different for each individual, depending on what type of traveler you may be. But we've addressed and complied with the many challenges our family-owned business has encountered to accommodate everyone and strive to keep operating safely and celebratory. We've incorporated a brand new state-of-the-art UV filtration system that provides ultraviolet light technology and disinfects the boat after each excursion, allowing us to sanitize the entire interior of the boat in less than 15 minutes. The Riverboat Twilight also features 3 decks that provide open-air seating with outstanding views of the Mississippi and an abundance of fresh air. The Twilight's wealth of seating options allows for plenty of space to spread out and enjoy the scenery comfortably. At the Riverboat Twilight, we create and highly value travel experiences that are enriching and nourishing and allow you to connect with nature and its remarkable mental and physical healing properties. We really hope you'll come and experience this re-energizing excursion with some of your friends or maybe your family members who may need it now more than ever. From the entire family here at the Riverboat Twilight, we want you to travel safely, be well, and we hope to see you on the river very soon.